Hi, welcome to Bougainville Flooring Super Store, an employee-owned company for over 30 years. Come on in, take a look around. Here we have our Resista cleaners, a cleaner for every floor in your home. Behind that we have our installation supplies, everything you need from moisture mitigation, self-leveling compounds, mortars, and grouts. Take a look over here, we have the Miele Vacuums, German-made, high-quality vacuum. Now as we head over into our carpet area, as you can see, we have a large selection of colors and styles of carpet. We go from 25 ounce up to 70 ounce carpets. We have nylon 6/6, PET, polyester, and over here we have some commercial indoor outdoor carpets. And as we go back over to the main showroom, you can see on the floor we have all of our stocking vinyls. Over here we have decking. Up against the wall we have all of our special order colors and styles. On the A-frames here we have all of our stocking colors also. Now as we turn over here and take a look at Peugeot Extreme, it's one of the newer products. Peugeot Extreme actually carries a dent warranty. If anytime you dent the floor while you own it, Peugeot would replace it. Come on in and give it a try yourself. As we move back into the main part of the floor, you can see again more flooring that we stock, more colors. As we turn over here, we have the Cortex stone by Pacifica. For those that are looking for an LVT and stone looks, really great quality looking stone. And then we also have Hunter Douglas, the high-end shutter and shades. And if you go over here, we have our window covering, so we even have the drapes, blackout shades. And then in the corner, we have our cast area rugs, a large selection hanging, and then we also have some 8x10s that aren't out that you can take a look at. You can also look on their catalog, castrugs.com, and if you see one in there, we can order it and get it in for you. As we move over here to our tile, we have a large selection of tile in stock, 12x24s. We carry the Surface Art and MZer tile. We do have a few wood grain looks in porcelain also. Now as we move over into our engineered hardwood, what you're looking at right now is Shaw's waterproof hardwood, and then the nice Baroque engineered hardwood. Here we have some Cali Bamboo, so if you're looking for a bamboo floor. So here we have some of our laminate looks, and then some more of Cali Bamboo's engineered hardwoods. We also carry memory foam beds made by Sleep, so don't forget to take a look at those. Here we go out into our carpet remnants. This is great if you're looking for like 1 or 2 bedrooms, or maybe a few area rugs. Pick a color and a style of carpet, we can cut it down and bind it for you. There's some more of our rims. Now we go to our closeout. Large selection of closeouts. We have porcelain tile, vinyl, everything from 49 cents up to $2.99. So there's a great deal to be had out here. We even carry a large selection of closeout moldings. Thanks for taking the virtual tour with me. You can get a hold of me by the information on the screen. Have a great day, and mahalo.